Hey guys, Duncan here at the Hollywood 12 in Rochester. A pretty exciting day. We're here with Jeff from Barco Entertainment to talk about a new addition here at the theater. It's the Barco Escape.
Yeah, Barco Escape is our new multi-screen panoramic experience that sort of takes the cinema going experience to a whole new level.
Pretty exciting because this technology it's very limited. It's only available in like 20 places around the world, right?
Yeah, 20.
So this screen will actually be the widest screen in the state of Minnesota, correct?
Absolutely, yeah. I think you can take the square footage of the screens across all three of them, largest screens here, and you can only get it at the Cinemagic 12 here in Rochester.